Achieving $1 million in just 3 years is possible with the right strategy. Here's a concise breakdown of the approach. Start by setting clear, concrete financial goals. Break them down into smaller monthly and quarterly targets to track your progress. Look for scalable, high-return income sources such as starting a profitable business, investing in real estate, or building a strong stock portfolio. Instead of spending on liabilities, prioritize building assets that generate income, such as rental properties, intellectual property, or stocks. Maximize your results by outsourcing low-value tasks and reinvesting earnings into higher growth opportunities. Efficiency is key. Surround yourself with successful, like-minded individuals. Learn from mentors, seek partnerships, and leverage new business opportunities. Continuously learn new skills, particularly in areas like finance, marketing, and personal development. A growth-oriented mindset is crucial. Once you have a profitable business or investment, scale it. Reinvest profits to expand your reach, automate operations, and increase efficiency. Regularly review your progress, adjust your strategies if needed, and stay flexible to new opportunities. By staying focused, taking consistent action, and leveraging resources, the goal of becoming a millionaire in 3 years can become your reality.